Good morning, students. Myself, Sham Chande from Mahimur Road Municipal English School. Welcome all in today's online class. Today we are going to study mathematics subject. In mathematics, we will learn word problems. So let's start. Today's date is 3rd October. We are going to learn multiplication, topic multiplication, subtopic word problem. So let us revise some previous knowledge. What is multiplication? Students, can you tell me what is multiplication? Yes, multiplication, one of the 4 basic operations of mathematics. Listen carefully. Multiplication, one of the 4 basic operations of mathematics. Now 4 basic operations. Which are the 4 basic operations? Can you tell me? Yes, students? Yes, exactly. Addition and yes, subtraction, multiplication and division. Very good, students. Okay, these are the 4 basic operations of mathematics. Okay, so multiplication, one of the 4 basic operations of mathematics, gives the result of combining groups of equal sizes. In other word, multiplication is repeated addition. In other words, we can say multiplication is a repeated addition. Do you understand? Very good. Now see, multiplication is represented by the sign cross. Can you see this red color sign? It's a cross. Okay, this is the multiplication sign. Asterisk also used, as well as this dot also used for multiplication. But basically we use this cross sign. See, you can see here cross sign. This is the sign of multiplication. When we multiply the numbers, we put this sign to multiply the numbers. Is it right? Yes, very good, students. Now, when we multiply 2 numbers, the answer we get is called product. When we multiply 2 numbers, the answer we get is called product. When we multiply the 2 numbers, the answer which we get, that is called as a product. Okay, see here it is written product. Okay, is it clear? Once again I am repeating this. When we multiply 2 numbers, the answer we get is called product. Now see here, for example, can you see on your screen which number it is? Can you read? Can you read this number? Yes, very good. 5. And this is the sign of multiplication. 5 multiplied by 5. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Very good. 5 multiplied by 5. So the answer is 25. Yes? Very good. So this 25 is called as a product. Okay, the answer of this multiplication is called product. Okay, do you understand what is product? Yes, very good. Let me ask some oral question, very simple question to all of you. Okay, those who know, they can answer me. Okay, what will be the product of 3 multiplied by 3? Yes, students?
3
Yes, very nice. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 will be the product, right?
Yes.
9 will be the product. Now let me ask one more question. Can you see which number it is?
6.
Yes, very good. It's 6, right?
Yes. 6.
Now 6 which is the sign?
Multiplication sign.
Very good. Multiplication. Now the second number is,
2.
yes, very good. So 6 multiplied by 2. Can you tell me the product of this 6 multiplied by 2? What will be the product?
12.
Very good. Very good, student. 6 multiplied by 2
12.
is equal to 12. So the product is 12. Very nice. Okay, one more question I'm going to ask you orally. Okay. 10 multiplied by 2. What will be the product?
20.
10
20.
multiplied by 2. Very nice. Very good. Very good. 10 multiplied by 2, 20. 10 to the 20. Right?
Yes.
Now next move. Now let's solve some multiplication sums. Okay. Now we are going to solve some multiplication sums. Now see what you can see in this slide.
8.
Can you see this number?
4.
Yes,
Four.
yes. And which is this
Two.
number? 2,
Two.
right? And this is a sign of multiplication. 4 multiplied by 2, right? Other than this number, what you can see in this picture? What is this?
Strawberry.
Yes, very good, strawberries. Do you like to eat strawberries?
Yes.
8.
Very nice. See, strawberries are there, but strawberries are in the plate, right? One plate is there, right? Now, how many strawberries are there in one plate?
4.
Very good, 4. So, how many plates are there? Only one plate? How many plates are there? Very good. This is the one plate and this one is the second plate, right? Now, tell me how many strawberries are there in the second plate?
4.
Yes, 4. In the first plate, there are 4 strawberries. In the second plate, there are 4 strawberries, right? Now observe the color of strawberry and the number. This 4 number is red in color as well as this strawberries are red in color, right? And this 2 number is in purple color. So plate is also in purple color, right?
Yes.
So it means there are 4 strawberries, right? So the group of 4 strawberries, how many times? 2 times, because 2 plates are there, right? So
Yes.
let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? What will be the answer of this? 4 multiplied by 2?
8.
8, right? Just now I told you multiplication is a repeated addition. Here you can understand. Okay, we will add this one plate and this second plate, right? 4 plus 4, 8. So 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to what is the answer? 8, right?
8.
Very good. This is the question mark. What you will write down here? Instead
8.
of question mark, very good. 8 you will write down. Very good. Let me ask one more question now. Okay. 2 multiplied by 7. What will be the answer? 2 multiplied by 7.
14.
Very good. 14. Very nice. Now let's move to solve 2-digit number multiplication. Okay. Now, students, can you read this number?
Yes.
Yes, read.
67.
Very good. 67. 67 multiplied by which is this number?
23.
Yes, very good. 67 multiplied by 23. So let us multiply this 2-digit number. Now, see the first step when we multiply. Okay, first step, multiply by the ones place. Now we are going to multiply 67 by this 23. Now 3 is at the ones place, at the unit place, right? So first we are going to multiply 67 by 3. Okay? We are going to multiply.
3 7s are 21.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So now see. 3 7s are?
21.
1.
Yes, 20.
1.
21. Now 1 is at the unit place, so this unit place 1, it is written here, right?
Yes.
And 2 will carry here, right?
Over.
2 will be carried over. Okay. Now, next multiplication will be,
6.
yes, 3 multiplied by 6, right?
18.
Now 3 6 are,
18.
yes, very good. 3 6 are 18, and the carry over 2. 18 plus 2,
Is equal to 20.
yes, very good. 20. So we have written 20. Okay. So 201. Is it a final answer?
201.
No, very good, very good. It's not a final answer. Now let's move toward the next step. Now see, second step.
7.
Put a 0 to hold the ones place. Put a 0 to hold ones place. Now we have done with the multiplication of 3, right? So now we are going to multiply by 2. So put a 0 here to hold the ones place. Okay, is it clear? Because already we have done with the 3, so we are going to put 0 here. Now step 3, multiply by the tens place. Now which number is at the tens place? This 2 is at the tens place, right? So already we have written 0 here. Now 2 multiply by 7 we will do first, right? 2 multiply by 7.
2 7s are 14.
Yes, 2 7s are 14. If you don't know the table, sometimes what happen, we forget the table. At that time, what you will do, you will make a bunch of 7 2 times. For example, see, I am drawing here sticks. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many sticks? I have drawn 7, right?
Yes.
How many times I will draw this? 2 times, because 2 is written echo. Okay, we are multiplying 7 by 2. So again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, the bunch of 7. Okay, 2 times. Now let's add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, right? Total 14 sticks are there, right?
Yes.
14.
Yes, very good. So 2 7s are 14.
Hmm.
If 14, right?
Yes.
So the unit place 4 we have written here, right? 1 will be carry over here, right? Now next step, 2 multiply by
6.
6. 2 6 are
12.
2 6 are 12.
12.
Very good. 2 6 are
12.
12. So 12 and carry over
13.
1, right? 1. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So we have written here, right?
Yes.
Is it a final answer?
Yes.
Is it a final answer? No, it's not a final answer. One more step is there, which is very important.
Addition.
Yes, very good, students. Addition. Let's move toward the fourth step. Okay, now see on your screen, add the numbers. This is very important. If you will not add the numbers, you will not get the final answer. You will not get the product. Okay, so don't forget to add the numbers. Now add the number. Now you can see the sign of addition here, right? Now let's add this number. 1 plus 0,
1.
1. 0 plus 4,
4.
4. Very good. 2 plus 3,
5.
5. And 1 will be here 1, right? So
Yes.
this is a final product. Can you read this number?
1541.
Very nice, very good. 1541. This is the final answer. This is the product of this multiplication. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Very good. Now, let's move. Now, let's solve 3-digit multiplication sum. Now, we are going to solve 3-digit multiplication sum. What you can see on your screen, which number it is?
100 multiply 100.
Yes, 100 multiplied by 100, 100 multiplied by 100. This is a 3-digit multiplication. I have taken simple sum. Okay. Now see, 100 multiplied by 100. Now, can you tell me the answer of this? It's very easy to find out the answer when we multiply by 100. Can you tell me the answer?
100.
No, wrong. Okay, okay, very good. You tried it, but see the answer. Okay. Now, 0 multiplied by 0.
0.
0 multiplied by 0, 0. Right? 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 1 will be 0. Right? Now, next 0 it is, right? So, put a 0 here. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 1 will be also
0.
0. Right? Now, third digit, which is the 100. Now, put 2. Right? Now, 1 zeros are
0.
0. 1 zeros are 0.
0.
1 ones are 1. Right? 1 ones are 1. Now, let's add all this. Okay. Can you add this number?
Yes. Answer is 10,000.
0, 0. Yes. Okay, I'm writing the answer here. Can you see the answer?
Yes. 10,000. Answer is 10,000.
Yes. Okay, now see. There is no need to multiply. Okay, when we multiply by 100. Directly what we can do? We can write down this number as it is. Okay.
100.
The number as it is now. How many?
100. 100.
Okay, now we have written this number 100. Now how many zeros are here?
2.
Yes, very good. So we can write down these 2 zeros directly here and we will get the answer within a fraction of time. No need to multiply step by step, right? But when we can do this, when there is a multiplication of 10, 100, 1000 or multiples of 10, okay? When there is a multiplication of like this, we can do this. Okay, let us solve one more sum to understand this.
Yes.
So I'm doing one sum here. Okay, 12 multiplied by 10.
And
Just now I said we can write down this 12 as it is, right? Write down the 12 and write down this 0. Okay, you will get your final answer 120, right? It's very easy when we multiply by 10 or 100 like this. Let us take one more example. 51 multiplied by 10. Okay. Now write down the 51 as it is. Now how many zeros are here?
1.
1 0. So put a 1 0 here next to the 1 at the unit place. So your answer is 510. This is the simple method. Okay. Now let's solve word problem. Okay. Now we are going to solve word problem. Now see, I am reading this. You listen carefully. Bharat bought 350 masks to distribute among the children in his village, and the cost of one mask is rupees 125. Then what is the total amount he spent to buy the mask? Do you understand?
Yes.
Before solving the word problem, you need to read the sum very carefully. Read the sum 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Okay?
Yes.
Understand it. What you have to do there. Clear it. After that only you have to solve the answer. Otherwise your answer will be wrong. Okay, so again I'm going to read the question for you. Bharat bought 350 masks to distribute among the children in his village, and the cost of one mask is rupees 125. Then what is the total amount he spent to buy the mask? Okay, this is the word problem. Now see, Bharat bought how many masks? 350 masks to distribute among the children. What is given? 350 masks. Bharat bought 350 masks to distribute among the children in his village. Now second part is the cost. The cost of one. Okay, important word. See, one mask is rupees 125. The cost of one mask is 125. How many masks he bought? He bought 350. 350 masks he bought, right? And the cost of one mask is 125. Yes, one mask. The cost of one mask is 125. Then what is the total amount? We have to find out the total amount is spent to buy 350 masks. Okay, see, if the price of one mask is 125, second mask 125, third mask 125, like this way we have to find out the total amount of 350 masks. Which operation you will do? Addition of all these sums or what? Which operation you will do here now?
Multiplication and addition.
Yes, very good student. Yes, multiplication you will do. Okay, you can add, but how many times you will add? 350 times. It will take lots of time to add the numbers. So multiplication is the right answer. Okay, let's multiply. Now what is given here? The total mass it is given, right? 350, as well as the cost of one mass also it is given. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the total amount is paid to buy the mask. Let's find out the answer of this. Yes. See here, I have written the sum 350 multiplied by 125. Now 350, what is 350? Total mass. Okay, 350 is total mass. And what is 125? It's
Cost
the
of
cost of each mass. Each mass means one mass. The cost of one mass is 125. When we will multiply 350 by 125, at that time we will get the total answer. Let's move. Okay, let's solve step by step now.
5 multiplied by 0 is equals 0. 5 multiplied by 5.
Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Now see.
Write 5 down and 2.
5 multiplied by 0. 0. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. Right? Now 5 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now see, when we multiply any number by 0, the answer is 0. Okay, if I multiply 5 by 0, the answer will be 0, right?
0.
Yes, very good. When we multiply any number by 0, the answer is 0. If I multiply 9 by 0, then also the answer will be 0, right?
0.
Does it mean
Yes.
that 0 don't have any value? Does it mean that 0 have don't any value? No, it's not. 0 have a value. Very important. 0 is very important. Let us see how it is important. For example, if I have 5 rupees, okay, and if I put a 0 in front of 5, then the value will not change. It is only 5, right? But if I put this 0 here, then the value changes. Now it becomes 50, right?
Yes.
Now it becomes 50. See the value of 0. So 0 is very important. Again, see, now it's a 50. If I put a 0 in front of 5, then also the value will not change. But if I put the 0 next to this 0, the value will change. It will 500. See the value of the number changing by putting the 0 at the right place, right? So 0 is also very important. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, so 5 zeros are 0. Now 5 zeros are 0. Now next is
5 5s are 25.
very good. 5 5s are
25. So I
25. So unit plus 5 we have written here and 2 carry over here, right?
yes.
Now next step. We have done with 5 5s are, right? Now 5 3s are.
5 3s are 15.
5 3s are 15. 15 it is written here, right?
Yes.
And the 2 which is carry over there. So 15 plus 2 is
Equal to 17.
17, right?
Yes.
15 plus 2 is equal to 17. See, we have written here, right?
Yes.
Now, next number, which is the next number? 2 number, which is in circle, red color circle. Now, we are going to multiply by 2, right?
Yes.
Now, first of all, put a cross or 0 to hold its unit place. Now, let's solve and let's solve
2 zeros are 0.
very good. 2 zeros are 0, right?
5
2
are
zeros
10.
are
10.
0.
5 are 10.
Now, it is 2 5s are
10.
10. 2 5s are 10. This 0 we have written here and
Yes.
this 1 is carry over here. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, yes, very good. Now, next 2 3s are
2 3s are 15.
2 3s are 2 3s are
2 3s are
6. 2 3s are 6 and this 1 carry over we have written here, right? So 6
Yes.
plus 1
6 plus 1 7.
7. 6 plus 1
7.
7, right?
Yes.
So we have written here.
Yes.
Okay, 7 we have written here, this 7, right?
Yes.
We have written here. Now, next move toward the next step. Now, which number is left?
1.
Yes, this 1, which is at the 100th place, right?
Yes.
Now,
1 0
again,
are 0.
yes, again put a 0 at the unit place after the 10th place to hold the place of this 2 digit. Now let's multiply. 2 zeros are 0. Sorry, 1 zeros are 0. We are multiplying by 1. So 1 zeros are 0.
1 5s are 5. 1 3s are 3.
Yes, very good. 1 5s are 5.
Five.
See, I have written here. 1 5s are
5.
5. And 1 3s are 3. Right? Is it our final answer?
No.
No, it's not a final answer. Very good, students. So, what we have to do now?
Sir, we
What-
get to add these 3 numbers.
Yes, very nice, students. We have to add these numbers. Then only we will get the final answer. Very good. So, let's add the number. Can you add in your notebook?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir,
add
1
the...
minute. 1 minute.
Yes. Add the numbers and let me know the answer. Okay, you solve in your notebook.
यम्मी वीडियो को नहीं ओपन हो रहा है.
Let's see the addition. Let's see the addition of this.
Numbers.
Okay, now see. Is 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, right? Now this 5 plus 0 will be 5.
5.
7 plus 0 plus 0, 7, right?
7.
Now this 1, one plus 7 plus 5. What will be the addition? 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5.
13.
Yes, very good. 8 plus 5, 13, right? So we have written this unit place 3 here and this 1 here. Okay, carry. Now, this 3 plus 1, 4, right? Now this is the final answer. Can you read this number? Can you read this number, students?
Yes.
4,000.
Yes, read the number.
750.
Very good, 43,750. But this is the final answer. But one more step is there. Okay. See the next step. This one. Okay. We have to write down like this way. Okay. Bharat have spent rupees 43,750 for mass. Do you understand?
Yes.
In word problem, you have to write down the answer in this way. So Bharat have spent rupees 43,750 for mass. Do you understand this sum?
Yes.
Very clear?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now I'm going to give you one sum. You have to solve that sum in the notebook. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Keep your notebook ready. Okay. Now here is the sum for all of you. When you solve once again, keep one thing in the mind. When you solve the word problem, read the problem many times. Understand the problem. What you have to do there. What you have to find out there. Which operation you have to do. Make it clear, and after that only you have to solve the sum. Now I'm reading this sum for all of you. As part of the Avoid Plastic campaign, each of 745 students made 15 paper bags. What was the total number paper bags made? Once again, I am reading this. Listen carefully. As part of the Avoid Plastic campaign, each of 745 students made 15 paper bags. What was the total number of paper bags made? Okay. Now, which operation you will do here?
Multiplication.
Yes, you will. Yes, very good. You will do multiplication. Yes. Now, what is given here?
As the part of
Total
the
number of
Avoid
students, right? Total number of students is given here, as well as the number of bags
745.
made by one student is given there, right? One student made 15 bags, right? Second student made 15 bags. Third student make 15 bags. So like this way, we have to find out for the 745 students, right? So we cannot add like this way because it's very time, will take time. So we have to multiply this number, right? So what is given? The number of students. Each of number of students is given here 745. Multiply by which number? 15, right? You can solve this sum in your notebook. 745 multiplied by 15.
Sir, I can tell the answer.
You finished? Yes.
11,000.
Yes, you can tell the answer.
175.
Yes. Yes, very good student. 11,700. Sorry, 11,000. What? What is your answer?
11,175.
No. You need to check your answer. Check one more time. Let's solve this sum here. Okay. 5 5 are 25. 5 will be here and 2 will be carried over here, right? 5 4 are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 2 will be here, 2 will be carrier, right? Now 7 5 are
35.
yes. Yes, hello.
Hello. Sir, you can
Is it right? Now 1 5 are
5.
5. 1 4 are 1 7 are.
Sir, I will tell the answer.
Yes, tell the answer.
11,175. Sir, my answer
Yes,
was
what?
right.
Yes.
11,175.
Yes. 11,175 is the right answer. Do you understand how to solve these sums?
Sir,
Yes. Now let me ask.
the boy who tell
Yes.
the
Now
answer.
let me ask. Yes. Just I was checking your presence of mind, whether you are writing again or not. Okay. Now let me ask some oral question. Okay. Listen carefully. If I have 5 chocolates, okay. If I have 5 chocolates and the price of one chocolate is 10 rupees, then what is the price of 5 chocolates? If I have 5 chocolates, okay. If I have how many chocolates? 5 chocolates, and the price of one chocolate is 10 rupees, then what will be the total price of 5 chocolates?
15.
15 or 50? Your answer will be 50, right? Now, do you understand how to solve these sums, word problems? Okay, very good. These sums in the note and solve it. First question is one computer cost ₹37,540. How much will 18 such computers cost? Second question, if a certain two-wheeler costs ₹53,670, how much will 35 such two-wheelers cost? Once again, I am reading for all of you. One computer costs ₹27,540. How much will 18 such computer cost? Second question, if a certain two-wheeler costs ₹53,670, how much will 35 such two-wheelers cost? So these are the two word problems which you have to solve in your mathematics notebook.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, thank you, all of you.